Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn how to find out the highest common factor, that is HCF, by factor method and by prime factorization. See how to find HCF by factor method. Now let us take two numbers, that is 12 and 18. Now student, first of all, as I taught you how to take out the factors of number, we will list the factors of 12 first of all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and number itself. Then we will list the factors of 18, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 is not the factor of 18, 5 is not the factor of 18, 6, after that 9 and 18. Now these are the factors of 12 and 18. Now the next step, you have to find out the common factors. Common factors means that number which are the factors of 12 and 18. Now here 1 is the common factor, 2 is the common factor, 3 is the common factor, and after that 6 is the common factor. Now we'll write the common factors 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now in this, which is the highest number that divides 12 and 18 without leaving a remainder, that is nothing but the HCF of this number. So the HCF is, the greatest number here is 6. So 6 is the HCF of 12. And now let's see another example. Find the HCF of number by finding all factors. Now we'll take one example, that is 20 and 30. Now first of all, we will list the factors of 20, then 30. Now what are the factors of 20? 1, 2, it is not divisible by 3, 4, 5, not by 6, it is not divisible by 7, 8, not by 8, 9, no, 10 is the factor and 20 is the factor. After that 30, 1, 2 because it is even number, 3, after that 3, 4, no, 5, yes, 6, not by 7, it is not divisible by 8, not by 9, it is divisible by 10, not by 11, not by 12, not by 13, not by 14, 15 is the factor because 15 to the 30 and number itself is the factor of number. Now list the common factor. Common factors are 1, then next is 2, 5, 10, this much, 1, 2, 5 and 10. And which is the greatest number that divide 20 and 30, the remainder will be 0, that is 10. So the HCF of 20 and 30 is 10. Now let's see the solution for the next example. We have to find the HCF by finding all the factors of 27 and 54. Now list the factor factor of 27 and 54. Now by using the divisibility rules, we can take out the factors. Now 1 is the factor of every number, 2 is not the factor of 27, 3 is the factor. After that 4, not 4, 5 is also not, 6 is also not, 7, no, 9 is the factor, then 10 is also not the factor, 11, 12, 13 is also not the factor, 14 is not, 15 is also not. So number itself is the factor of that given number. After that we will list the factors of 54. Now let's see. 1 is the factor, 2, it is even number, so 2 is also the factor. 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 is divisible by 3, so 3 is also the factor. 4 is not the factor, it is not divisible by 4. Not 5, 6 is also the factor. Not 7, not by 8, 9 is the factor. 8, 9 is the factor. Not by 10, 10 is not the factor, 11 is also not, 12 is also not. After that it is divisible by 18, then by 27, then by 54. And how to take these factors? We know the two methods, by division method and one is multiplication method. By that also we can take out the factors. So now we will first of all list the common factor. Common factor. Now 1, 3 is common. After that 9 and 27. Now first of all we will write the all common factors, that are 1, 3, 9, 27. All these are the common factors of 27 and 54. Now what is the next? We have to find out the HCF. Now what is HCF? HCF means amongst the common factor we have to find that number which is the greatest, and can, if we divide it by if we divide that number by 27 and 54, we get the remainder as a 0. That means here 27 is the greatest number, that is nothing but the HCF of 27 and 54, that is 27. Now see the solution for the next example. We'll see the HCF by finding all the factors of 24 and 36. Now first of all we will list the factors of 24. Now by using the divisibility rules we can see that 1 is the factor of every number, 2 is also divisible by 24 is also divisible by 2, it is also divisible by 3, it comes in the table of 3, it is also divisible by 4, 4 6 are 24, it is not, 5 is not the factor of 24. Also we can see that 6 is also, we can divide it by 24, remainder will be the 0. So 6 is the factor of 24. 7 is not the factor of 24. 8 3s are 24. So 8 is the factor. After that 9 is not the factor. 10 is also not the factor. 11, it's not there in the table of 11. It is there in the table of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. Not in 13. So 24 is the factor of itself. After that, let's list the factor of 36. 1 is the factor, 2 is the factor, 6 plus 3 is 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. So 3 is also the factor. After that, 4, 4 9s are 36. 5 is not the factor. 6, 6 6 are 36. After that 7 is not the factor. 8, no. 9, again 9, 4s are 36 is the factor. After that 11, no. 12, yes, 12 is also the factor. 12 3s are 36. After that it comes not in the table of 13. 14 is not the factor. 15 is also not the factor. 16 is also not the factor. It do not comes in the table of 17. After that, this is the factor of 18. 18 2s are 36. After that 2s are 36, then it will come in the number itself. Now student, the next we have to list the common factors. What are the common factor? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So we'll write common factors of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Now what is the next step? You have to find out the HCF of the 24 and 36. So what is the HCF of this number? That means the greatest number amongst the common factor. The greatest number among the common factor is 12. So the HCF of 24 and 36 is 12. Let's see the solution for this numbers 25 and 40. Now first of all we will list the factors of 25. That is 1 is the factor of 25. Now 25 is not divisible by 2. So 2 is not the factor. Is it divisible by 3? No. 4? No. 5? Yes. 5 5s are 25. Then it is not divisible by 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It comes in the number itself. That is 25 multiplied by 1 is 25. So here we got the factors, that factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. So next is 40. Now 1 is the factor of 40. It is divisible by 2. 2 20s are 40. Is it not divisible by 3? It is divisible by 4. 4 10s are 40. 5, yes, it is divisible by 5. 5 8s are 40. 6, it is not divisible by 6. 7, 8, yes, it is divisible by 8. 8 5s are 40. Now student, you just see here the cross come, 5 and 8 cross come. So we have to stop here because we got all the factors of 40. Now the factors of 40 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8. After that this side will go 10, 20 and 40. Now what are the common factors? 1. After that 5. These two are the common factors. Now Among these common factors, 5 is the greatest number. So the HCF of 25 and 40 is